Students, threats to biodiversity. That means biodiversity is goes to the destruction. The species present all over the world is gradually goes to the extinction. Okay, by different types of the reasons. These are the harmful activities to the biodiversity. This it is causes due to the evil quartet. Evil quartet, that means quartet means four reasons. Evil that is harmful to the development of the processing of the biodiversity. These are evil quartet for accelerating rates of the species extinction in the world. Okay, extinction become extinct. Which are the species present in some regions, biomes or ecosystems? These are the species individuals becomes into extinction. There is no species individuals. All the species individuals are died out. That is called extinction. No more species individuals. All are goes to extinct. Next, four reasons. Evil quartet, four causes. That one is habitat loss and fragmentation. Important reasons for loss of biodiversity. This is the important one for loss of the biodiversity, where the biodiversity is present. In this, first one is deforestation. What about deforestation? Deforestation, that means leads to the extinction of the species. Species present in the forest region, and at the same time destruction of the forest leads to the extinction of the species. For example, tropical rainforest, once covering 14% of the earth land surface, is now not more than 4%. Student, if you observe, tropical rainforest once covering 14% of the earth surface, now not more than 4%. Okay. Next, B, conversion of the forest land to agriculture land in habitat loss fragmentation. Habitat loss fragmentation discussed in these points, 4 points. Second one is conversion of forest land to agriculture land. Amount of the forest land, which amount of the forest land is present, this is goes to the converts into the agriculture land. Okay, Amazon rainforest, for example, Amazon rainforest called lungs of our planet, because most amount of the oxygen is produced by the biodiversity which is present in Amazon rainforest, called lungs of our planet, giving most amount of the abundant amount of the oxygen to the living organisms, having innumerable species. Most number of the species present in Amazon rainforest is cut to cultivate soya beans. Entire the biodiversity is cut and it is replaced with the cultivation of the soya bean plants, or conversion to grasslands for raising beef cattle. Entire the forest land is cut and converts into the grassland for raising of the beef cattle. Next, pollution enhances degradation of habitats. Pollution also increases degradation of the habitats. Okay. Next, habitat means that is the space for living organisms, threatens survival of many species. Okay, it leads to threats of the survival of many species as pollutants change quality of environment. Pollutants change the quality of the environment. Next, fragmentation of habitat leads to pollution, population decline. Enter the population decline by the fragmentation of the habitat. Fragmentation of the habitat leads to the population decline. Next, mammal, birds requiring large territories. Territories means surface of land. Okay, large amount of the territories are necessary for the mammals and the birds. Okay, most amount of the migratory birds also severely affected by the fragmentation of habitats. Next, overexploitation. It is also called over harvesting. Harvesting means increases the experimental growth of the certain species population. This harvesting species from wild means habitat, original habitat place of the species individuals. Harvesting species from wild at rates faster than natural populations can recover. Continued over exploitation can lead to destruction of the resources. Okay, student? Normally these are growth in original habitat places, natural habitat places, but these animals are collected from the habitat places, and for increases its number, these are the animals are harvested by the human beings. Increases its population by the individuals, by the human beings. Okay, it also leads to the extinction of that species in original habitat places. For example, stellar sea cow. Sea cow, it is described by ecologist stellars, hence the name stellar sea cow. Passenger pigeon, okay, it is exist in North America. This is the passenger pigeon, exist in North America. These two species individuals are goes to the extinct due to the over exploitation, over harvesting by humans. And this many marine fishes also endangered as they are over harvested. Endangered, that means after some time these are the animals these are the species individuals goes to the extinction. Endangered, that means, okay, it is about over exploitation. Students, third one, invasion of alien species in evil quartet. Invasion of alien species that are the species individuals belonging from the foreign country. Invasion, entry into the species. Alien species introduced into habitat. This is the habitat is not original place, living place of some animals. They turn invasive means spread quickly, increases its population within a short period of time. That is, the species tend to spread especially. These are the example for invasion of alien species. Nile perch, it is also called freshwater fish, Nile perch. This is introduced into the Lake Victoria, present in East Africa. When the Nile perch introduced into the Lake Victoria, that is not a original habitat, original place, for Nile perch. When it is introduced into Lake Victoria and increases its population, and at the same time this lead to extinction of the 200 species of cichlid fishes in Lake Victoria. When it is introduced into the Lake Victoria, in the Lake Victoria 200 species of cichlid fishes are goes to the extinction. Next, illegal introduction of the exotic African catfish. Introduction of African catfish, scientific name Clarius gariepinus. For aquaculture purpose, for rearing purpose, increase its population, which provides food. For its purpose is causing, it leads to threat to indigenous catfishes. Where the catfishes are present in normal amount, when African catfish is also introduced into the type of the river, and all the indigenous catfishes are goes to the extinction. And at the same time African catfish population is increases, growth rate is increases, that led to threaten of the indigenous catfishes. Next, exotic weeds. Exotic means these are also considered belonging from the foreign country, another country. Exotic weeds like carrot grass, Parthenium scientific name, Spanish flag, scientific name Lantana. Spanish flag is a normal name, Lantana is scientific name. Water hyacinth, Eichhornia, it is a scientific name. Introduced into our ecosystems, they damage. These are the species individuals. When introduced into our ecosystem, they damage environment. Environment is also damaged and also threaten existence of the native species. Where our ecosystem consists which type of the species individuals, species plants, these are goes to the extinction when entry of these exotic weeds in our ecosystems. Next, fourth one is co-extinction. It is discussed with association between two living organisms. There is a obligate association, close association between plant and the animal. Plant become extinct and at the same time animal also goes to the extinct. Student, in this association between plant and animal, these two organisms, one of the species from the plants, another one of the species from the animals, these are closely association. There is a close association between plant and animal. If a plant become extinct, at the same time animal also become extinct. Student, loss of species is expected to result in loss of other species that depend on it. It is also discussed with the association between parasite and the host. Parasite is the one of the animal, host is the another one of the animal. Host provides food and the habitat for the parasite. Student, in this association, host become extinct, at the same time parasite also goes to the extinction. It is a co-extinction. That means one of the species is become extinct and another one, it is also leads to extinction of the other species.